Makeup for teenagers doesn't have to be intimidating. In this video, I am breaking down the basics and sharing my favorite tips and tricks for creating a flawless everyday look. Makeup goes on best when your skin is clean and dry. Wash your face with lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser formulated for your skin type. If you have sensitive or acne prone skin, stick with fragrance free and non comedogenic products. Choose an oil-free, non-comedogenic facial moisturizer and smooth a pea-size amount all over your face. Give your skin about a minute to absorb the product. Make sure the label says broad spectrum sunscreen for full protection against the sun's rays. Heavy and full coverage foundations tend to look unnatural and can make you break out, so stay away from those. Light coverage foundation, BB cream, and tinted moisturizer are all great options for a pretty natural look. Use your fingers or a foundation brush to smooth a thin layer of product all over your face, starting in the center and blending out to your cheeks, forehead, and chin. Choose a product that matches your skin tone so it blends naturally. Choose a concealer that matches your skin tone and use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to dab a small amount straight from the applicator on any dark spots or pimples you have. Then buff around the spot lightly with a small makeup brush to blend the concealer out, and you're all set. Go with a setting powder that matches your skin tone or use a translucent powder. Use a fluffy kabuki brush to dust a little powder all over your face. This locks in your foundation and gets rid of any shiny areas. Choose a rose or peachy shade and use your fingertips or a blush brush to smooth the blush on the apples of your cheeks. Use circular motions to blend the blush out toward your hairline for a soft, healthy looking flush. For a super subtle eye look, curl your lashes and skip the mascara completely. If you want to enhance your lashes a little more, apply one coats of mascara to your top lashes only. If your brows are a little patchy or super blonde, brow powder or pencil can give them more definition. Hydrated lips look amazing on their own, so a little balm might be all you need to complete your look. To add a little shine, apply a clear or natural looking lip gloss. Always remove your makeup at night before you hit the sack. Just soak a cotton round with oil-free makeup remover and rub it gently all over your face to get off most of your makeup. Then follow up with a gentle cleanser to wash away any leftover residue and dirt.